In this video, we'll be talking about the applications of enzymes. But firstly, what are enzymes? Enzymes are defined as the biological molecules that increase the rate of the chemical reactions several times in the magnitude by lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Therefore, enzymes are catalysts. We will be talking about 5 main applications of the enzymes in this video, such as analytical industry, food industry, pharmaceutical industry, agriculture, and others.
In pharmaceutical industry, enzymes are useful to help in discover, develop, and produce such as killing disease-causing microorganisms, prompting wound healing, and diagnosing certain disease. Microorganisms such as bacteria can be killed by antibiotic drugs. However, to produce semi-synthetic penicillin, we will need an enzyme. Basically, the enzyme catalyzes the hydrolysis and amylation steps in this synthesis from natural penicillin. Here are the examples of semi-synthetic penicillin, which are ampicillin and amoxicillin. Have you imagined that you have magic to recover your wound immediately when you are injured? Haha, we can't do that, but we can make it recover faster. Well, proteases, an enzyme have the power to recover the wound faster. Here are the examples of proteases in wound healing. Enzymes mainly help in 3 processes, which are inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. Enzymes are also used to diagnose certain diseases. The first example, glucose oxidase. It is the enzyme used for determination of free glucose in body fluids by using a test kit called urine glucose oxidase test kit. Besides that, we also have ELISA test kits, which is used to detect the IgM antibodies in blood. The enzymes used in ELISA test kits are commonly horseradish peroxidase. Enzymes can also use in supplements such as prolactazine, treat lactose intolerance, asparaginase, treat leukemia, collagenase, treat skin ulcer, and also streptokinase, administered to patient immediately after heart attack.
The analytical industry also involves vastly different enzymes. The application involves enzyme determining substrate amounts in analyzed for inborn error of metabolism, non-genetically associated disease, adequate heat treatment of food, in quality control of food and other agricultural products, and in measuring soil quality. One of the examples is glucose oxidase biosensor. It is used to detect the presence of glucose in blood. And now, let us look into the principle behind. If there is glucose present in the sample or enzyme solution, the glucose will be hydrolyzed by the immobilized enzyme in the conducting polymer. The glucose oxidase breaks down the glucose into the gluconic acid and the hydrogen peroxide. Then, the hydrogen peroxide will contact with the platinum electrode and it will be ionized and produce the current. The more current produced indicated the more glucose is detected.
Enzymes are widely used in the food industry. They can function exceptionally well to control process time, enrich flavor, improve texture, increase shelf life, and decrease the use of chemical food additives. Other than that, microbial enzyme has been extensively used to increase diversity, variety, and quality of food. Here's an example of enzyme that are commonly used in the food industry, which is the alpha amylase. Alpha amylase has been used in the bakery industry, alcohol industry, and food industry. In the baking industry, alpha amylase plays a major role in the enhancement of quantity, aroma, and taste of the product. For alcohol industry, the combination of alpha amylase with glucose amylase has been described to be the better option for improving raw starch fermentation to ethanol. In the food industry as well, major concern is the animal feed is not fully degraded and digested by the livestock. To improve this situation, enzymes such as alpha amylase.
Now, let's focus on agriculture industry. First of all, what is agriculture? According to Oxford Dictionary, agriculture is a science or practice of farming. Yes, it is none other than science. Agriculture aims to provide fuel to a rumbling machine named mankind. Hence, it is an important task for our scientists to lift the efficiency and production of agriculture. Enzyme is a useful tool to perform this task. Enzymes are proteins that work at catalysis to accelerate the chemical reactions. In agriculture, enzymes can act as pesticides, natural herbicides, and fertilizers, helping the crops to reach its best possible growth and yield. Using of enzymatic fertilizers can prevent infertile soil and pollution caused by chemical fertilizer. Enzymes can also be added to the fodder of animals to help with their digestive functions. As more research work showing interesting and exciting results on the potential of enzyme in agriculture, it will surely bring a new revolution.
However, enzyme applications are not limited to those mentioned in the video earlier. There are other enzyme applications such as cosmetics industry and detergent industry. Enzymes in detergent products are used in various cleaning applications. These highly targeted biocatalysts help effectively to eliminate stains by making them more easily removed by the surfactants. Here are a few examples of enzymes that have been used in detergent products, such as proteases, which degrade stains comprised mainly of proteins such as grass, blood, egg, and others, giving clothes a clear appearance. Amylases break down starch-based stains commonly caused by pasta, potatoes, and baby food, which are commonly found on dishes. For cotton fabrics, cellulases improve overall cleanness by reducing the redeposition of particulate soils such as soot, clay, and rust during the wash. In addition, cellulases also provide fabric and color care. In cosmetology, the use of coenzymes and cofactors in the cosmetics may represent a safe way to promote the efficient functions of the enzyme in the skin to help to maintain the healthy appearance of the skin. Coenzyme Q10 is one of the enzymes that has been used in the cosmetic industry, which leads to the stimulation of the skin elasticity and collagen production, reduces skin damage due to the sun exposure and free radicals, balances skin tone, and a lot of other benefits. On the other hand, pre-oxidized enzymes are used to preserve the skin creams and the formulations by preventing the bacterial growth. Proteolytic enzymes work by breaking the skin-friendly proteins into peptides and then amino acids, which can easily be absorbed by the skin, which promotes the cell growth and renewal.